I'm gonna go for a bike ride. I'm gonna be going for a bike ride. I am training for something that I've never done before, and something that, quite frankly, I might not even be able to do. But I'm gonna start training. I have about like 4 months, which means I have May, June, July, and August to train for this event, which is in September. We're going to go for at least 5 kilometers. We're at 2.7 kilometers, 7 minutes in. We gotta go. I just gotta wait for all the cars. We're at 3 kilometers, so we got at least 2 more. I think we're actually gonna get about 7 kilometers based off this route. Okay, back on the road. And we went pretty fast. We did the first 3 kilometers in about 9 minutes. A little less than that, actually. So this next part, though, is probably going to be a lot longer. Faster than I run, but still a lot slower than going downhill. Actually heading uphill. This is cute, little buddy bench. I wonder if anyone's ever made a friend there on the buddy bench. That'd be cool to know. Cool to see. We just hit 5 kilometers and we're still in the uphill. At least I'm listening to a good song. I got that, I think it's called Freedom. Is it Will.i.am or something? Construction trucks. I used to work for them. Not anymore. Now I'm doing engineering in school for now. Look, no hands. Back when I did construction, I got moved to this project before I left. See this? I was working down there on the bridge, but they're expanding this freeway so that it's like 3 or 4 lanes across on each side. It's kind of crazy. It smells so bad. You can really smell the tar. I do not miss it. Not at all. I'd say 5 years or maybe 10 years, this is all gonna be like it's gonna be built up, bunch of buildings, probably businesses. We've already got like 2 or 3 different apartment buildings going up. Oh well. I don't like riding my bike down this road because there's so many vehicles that go down it, and you just feels like you're just breathing in gas non-stop. Wondering, like, what is this thing that you're training for? Well, let's see. Monday I did a 2-kilometer run, a 3-kilometer interval. Why is it so windy? Oh my goodness. I did the 3 kilometers intervals, and then 3-kilometer intervals, which is I ran 200 meters, then walked 200 meters, ran 200 meters, walked 200 meters. Did that for 3 kilometers. You know, starting easy. Today I did this bike ride, and then I have a whole bunch of other leg-related exercises throughout the week. And then next week we're gonna up the ante, make it a little harder. A whole bunch of leg-related exercises, and we're gonna keep upping the effort and what we're doing, making it harder over the next couple weeks, and then in a couple months. And in 4 months, like I said at the beginning of this, a very big event.